All right, so we're just driving around on this dude's farm up on a mountain looking for some cave location that's way up over here. And look where I put my car. This drops straight down. Dude, that is freaking deep, man. I just put my car right next to a fucking cave. Dude, that... We're looking for caves and I literally... I literally bumped my bumper on the rock. That's like a freaking drop right into this cave, man. That is absolutely insane. Dude, that is crazy. Isn't it beautiful out here? This is so weird though. There's all these rocks and everything. Wow, beautiful area, man. Sheesh. How would you know that there's a cave there?
I don't know, bro. We were close to going in. Really close.
I guess.
Bro. Yeah.
Oh man, that's sketchy.
What's that?
Like it goes down. I mean, we're probably on top of a cave right now. So my car is right here. The entrance to the cave's right here.
I think, wow. Well, yeah, it is.
The same cave?
I think so.
Ooh, let's go get our gear.
Hell yeah. I see a back. Sick, bruh.
Dude, that's so random, man. That is so random. What are the odds that we're out here looking for a different cave over here and we proceed to literally park on top of this? That is insane. What are the odds? That is so sketchy. Okay, parked on top of the cave. Now we go into the cave. Oh, it's hard to get in. Woo. There's a bat. Huh. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Rock.
Oi! I'm okay. Whoa, dude, it's so big in here.
Opens up.
It's cooler air, man. You got a bit of AC in here. Oh, wow. Dude, I'm parked on top of this.
Wow. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, so this is the... my car is right up there. Probably. I think so.
Sheesh. Wow. Oh, so cool.
Yeah.
Oh man, really beauty parked over this.
Yeah, this is the... Look up, that's the skylight.
It's a big ass thing.
Whoa. A few bats.
Where's it from?
It's bigger than I thought it would be. Ooh, crystals. Interesting. Whoa. Look at these crystals.
Wow.
Or sparkling thing.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah. Looks like there's side passage.
Proper cool kid.
Yeah. more than I was expecting, I'll tell you that. Oh. It's like a labyrinth. So many ways to go. It's like a upper level over here if you can climb up it. Anything through there?
Kinda. There's a bit of a passage. Sick, man.
Yeah. Oh, so many turns. So many choices. And it's like a labyrinth.
Crazy. Wait, we can. Where's your car, I guess? Where the fuck? Fucking raining dust, bro.
What the fuck?
I don't normally see that in caves.
Yeah. Weird.
It's funny, wherever the light hit from the skylight, you can see a bit of like vegetation.
Yeah. Wonder if there's anything up through here. Oh, bats are flying back there. Probably gets too small for humans. Oh, it continues, but it gets real small. You have to squeeze through that. If I do that, I gotta get my knee pads on. It's technically doable, but it's tight. I don't know that it would go anywhere, but you never know. Bats flying back there too. Could
Wait,
be.
is the entrance to somewhere?
Here now. Maybe up there. Did you see anything up there?
Then go up. There was like a little hole down there, but I'm not sure if it goes anywhere.
That might just be all it's got. That's a cool little cave.
Yeah.